Today, as we celebrate the feast of Saint Joki and Saint Anne, and as we also celebrate Grandparents' Day, we, the youth of Chandor, would like to express our gratitude towards our grandparents.
Grandparents are friends, teachers, companions, and another name of God.
A small tribute to all the grandparents who have defined what love and care is.
We would like to say thank you for teaching us how to smile in every situation.
For inculcating ethical values.
For showing what love truly means.
For showing us how to love everything in its natural form.
For making that medicinal tea that no one else can make.
For walking with us in every sphere of life.
For teaching us the importance of spirituality, discipline, faith, meditation.
For making food for us that tastes good always.
For being happy in our happiness.
For these infinite blessings and positive vibes that you radiate all the time.
For teaching us how to be self-sufficient.
For setting an example that work cannot be divided between genders.
For making us aware that no work is big or small.
For making our lessons even more interesting.
For knitting sweaters for us whose warmth and love no other brand can provide.
For staying sweet 16 at age 60.
For keeping our family happy and together.
For all the colors that you have brought in our lives.
Thanks for being there.
For changing our vision towards light.
You grow old, but your love stays young forever.